I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen.
I have chili. I have eye. Chili eye. Is it funny? Or maybe not. Okay, let's do some cooking. Do you like Chinese food or spicy food? Then chili oil is the thing that you must have. Heat the oil with medium-high heat, and then we prepare in another bowl with some chili peppers, black peppers, bell peppers powder, and I have the sesame oil and the sichuan pepper separately. Use a wooden chopsticks to try the oil temperature. When you see the small bubbles, then put the sichuan pepper in there. Let the sichuan pepper cook in about 10 seconds. Remove the sichuan pepper oil from the stove and pour into the pepper mix bowl directly. Use a spoon, stir in the chili oil. It will help chili oil to cook evenly and cool down. Finally, put the sesame oil in there and enjoy it with anything you like. With cucumber and glassnoodles. That is simple and delicious with this chili oil that we made. Cut the cucumber into slices as nice as you can. Cook the glassnoodle in the boiling water in about 10 minutes and then cool it with cold water. For the seasoning, I use 2 tablespoons light soya, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons Chinese black vinegar, and some minced garlic. And finally, we put this best delicious chili oil. Make of your own choice. Put as much as you want. I hope you like the cucumber salad and the chili oil. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.